Welcome back to Pass4Future channel. In today's video, we will dive into a crucial aspect of the AZ-305 exam case studies and scenario-based questions. These types of questions can be tricky, but with the right approach, you'll be able to handle them like a pro. So whether you're just starting your AZ-305 prep or you're looking to fine-tune your skills, stick around. This video is helpful for you. Let's first break down what case studies and scenario-based questions are. If you've taken any Microsoft certification exams, you know they're not just about picking the right answer from a list. Case studies are long, detailed scenarios that describe a business problem or challenge. They provide requirements, constraints, and objectives you must address with the right Azure solutions. Scenario-based questions, on the other hand, are similar, but they're often shorter and focus on specific decisions you must make within that scenario. In the AZ-305 exam, case studies present a business scenario detailing the company's current setup, problems, and goals. You'll get a list of requirements like cost optimization, high availability, or security compliance. Based on this, you'll choose the best solution from multiple options. Each option may seem valid, but only one aligns with the scenario's specific needs and constraints. Focus on analyzing the requirements carefully before selecting the most appropriate Azure-based solution. Scenario-based questions are more common throughout the AZ-305 exam. You'll get a short paragraph with context and be asked one or two questions. These test your understanding of Azure services in real use cases, so think practically, not just technically. One of the best ways to prepare for case studies is practice. There are plenty of resources out there to help you get used to this format, like Microsoft Learn and Pass4Future AZ-305 practice tests. No matter the question type, case study or scenario-based, practice is the key to success. For that, I highly recommend Pass4Future. This platform gives you access to authentic and realistic practice tests that mirror the real exam. You'll gain experience with all question types and can improve your speed and accuracy before test day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AZ-305 tips and Azure tutorials. Have any questions or want to share your own exam experiences? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your exam prep. Until next time, happy studying!